Hello and welcome to the Alpine Van Works Insulated Floor Kit install video. For starters, please refer to the supplies and hardware list to ensure you have all necessary tools and equipment. Make a small V-notch in the nozzle of the Sikaflex. This allows for proper compression of the adhesive. The first thing we are going to do is trim the driver's side B-pillar. This will allow the Coosa board to properly fit underneath. Ensure you use the front Coosa panel to mark where you need to trim. Lay out and test fit all pieces of the Coosa insulation. Make sure you pull the piece at the rear doors all the way to the end so that everything lines up properly. Mark where the seams line up so that you have a reference when placing the panels. Using the provided Sikaflex and a caulk gun, line every other floor rib with adhesive. Place a provided biscuit in each notch on the edge of the panel. Continue lining adhesive. Once you have enough, place the next floor panel down. Lock it into the biscuits and make sure it lines up with the seam mark you made earlier. Continue this same process until all Coosa panels are glued down. Use sandbags to weigh down the panels and let it sit for 2 to 3 hours before continuing on to the next steps. Lay out your finished flooring over the Coosa and fold it over lengthwise. Using the provided floor adhesive, pour a liberal amount onto the Coosa. Use a trowel to spread the adhesive evenly. Make sure you neatly line it toward the center of the panels. This ensures that you won't have any sections without adhesive. Neatly line all edges and corners with adhesive. Allow the adhesive to sit for an hour. You will notice the glue darken over time. Once the glue is tacky, fold over the flooring and use a roller to adhere it together. Make sure you use a smaller hand roller for the edges and corners. This will make sure that the edges don't lift. Repeat the same process on the other side. Now we will install the trim pieces. Start with the rear trim and screw it into place with the number 10 1-inch screws. At the slider door, place the step extension piece under the Coosa. You may have to trim it if it doesn't slide in right away. Place the angled trim and screw it in with number 10 1-inch screws. Finally, test fit the front trim piece. Sometimes this can have a little extra length, so measure it and use a chop saw to make it fit snug. Use the rest of your number 10 screws and screw it into place. Finally, enjoy your finished insulated floor. Thank you for watching, and please reach out to us at Alpine Van Works if you need any additional assistance.